Ever feel like you're on a hamster wheel? Scrolling, liking, sharing, repeat. Social media is designed to keep you hooked. But what if it's not just cute puppies and vacation pics? What if your feed is slowly morphing into a casino floor? Welcome to the world of social casinos. They look like your favorite games, sound like your favorite games, but there's a catch. Instead of cash, you play with virtual coins. Think of them like those plastic chips you win at Chuck E. Cheese. Fun to collect, but you can't buy groceries with them. But here's the thing. Our brains don't always know the difference. The thrill of a win, the near miss that keeps you going. It triggers the same reward pathways whether it's real money or not. And that's where things get interesting, or maybe a little scary. So buckle up as we dive into the world of social casinos, where the lines between entertainment and gambling get blurrier than a night out in Vegas. What is a social casino? Imagine your favorite casino game, slots, poker, blackjack, but virtual. Download an app, create an account, and get free coins. Spin slots, bet on poker, try roulette. Win big, your virtual pile grows. Lose? Wait for the daily bonus or buy more coins. It's fun for many, a way to kill time, but the psychology of gambling is at play. Wins and near misses trigger dopamine. And just like that, we're hooked. Let's meet a player in the social casino game. McLuck Casino. They're like the friendly neighborhood pub of the virtual casino world. No dress code, no intimidating bouncers, just a laid-back atmosphere to try your luck. They've got slots galore with themes ranging from ancient Egypt to outer space. Feeling lucky? Spin the McJackpot for a shot at a massive virtual coin payout. And hey, if you run out of coins, they're always happy to offer you a top-up for a few real-world bucks. But what sets McLuck apart is the community vibe. They've got chat rooms where you can swap stories with fellow players, brag about your wins or lament your losses, and generally pretend you're all hanging out at a real casino, minus the smoky haze and overpriced cocktails. Is it all sunshine and roses? Well, some players complain about the lack of table games. If you're a blackjack shark or a poker pro, McLuck might feel a bit limited. Still, for a casual social casino experience, McLuck is a popular choice. Just remember, even the friendliest casino is still in the business of keeping you playing. Now let's head to the VIP lounge of social casinos, Stake.us. This platform is all about high stakes, pun intended, and big promises. They offer a slick interface, a wider variety of games, and even dangle the possibility of winning real-world prizes. But lately, Stake.us has been hit with some technical difficulties. Imagine walking into a casino only to find the roulette wheel on the fritz and the slot machines out of order. That's been the experience for some Stake.us users, with reports of outages and glitches causing frustration and raising questions about the platform's reliability. Now glitches happen. Even the fanciest casinos have the occasional power outage or technical hiccup. But for a platform that prides itself on a smooth, high-end experience, these issues are a definite buzzkill. The takeaway: Stake.us might offer a more premium social casino experience, but it comes with its own set of risks. And as with any online platform, security and reliability should always be top of mind. Section 5. The Law and Social Casinos, a Foggy Bottom Deal. Here's where things get a little hazy. The legal landscape for social casinos is, well, complicated. See, they've found a loophole. Because you're not technically gambling with real money, they can sidestep a lot of the regulations that traditional online casinos have to follow. Think of it like this. Buying a virtual hat for your avatar in a video game isn't considered gambling, right? Social casinos argue it's the same principle. You're buying virtual currency for entertainment, not placing bets. But critics argue that this loophole is exactly that, a way to exploit the system and target vulnerable individuals, especially those who might be susceptible to gambling addiction. So are social casinos legal? The answer is a resounding, it depends. Laws vary from state to state, and the industry is evolving faster than regulators can keep up. The bottom line: if you're considering dipping your toes into the social casino pool, it's crucial to understand the laws in your jurisdiction. Ignorance is not bliss when it comes to navigating the legal gray areas of online gaming. Section 6. Why social casinos are like cat videos you can't stop clicking. Let's be honest, social casinos are masters of manipulation. They've got psychologists and data scientists working behind the scenes, crafting an experience that's as addictive as possible. Think about it: the bright colors, the catchy jingles, the constant notifications reminding you to collect your daily bonus. It's all designed to tap into our brain's reward system, keeping us coming back for more. And then there's the social aspect. Leaderboards, tournaments, the ability to share your wins with friends. It all creates a sense of community, a feeling that you're part of something bigger than yourself. But here's the kicker: the more you play, the more likely you are to spend. Those free coins run out fast, and the temptation to buy more can be overwhelming, especially when you're on a lucky streak or trying to chase a loss. The bottom line, social casinos might be free to play, but they're designed to make money, and they're very good at it. When social casinos get serious, time to get real. Social casinos might seem like harmless fun, but there's a dark side. For some, the line between entertainment and addiction blurs. Spinning virtual slots can seem like the perfect escape, but that escape comes at a cost. You start neglecting responsibilities and relationships. Chasing losses, you fall deeper into the hole. This is the reality for many struggling with social casino addiction. Social casinos can have real-world consequences. Seek help if you or someone you know is struggling. Section 8. The future of social casinos, a gamble on technology. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the world of social casinos is about to get even wilder. With technology evolving faster than a game of high-stakes poker, the future of this industry is anyone's guess. Imagine stepping into a virtual casino, interacting with other players in real time, all from the comfort of your own home. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, have the potential to revolutionize social casinos, blurring the lines between the digital and physical worlds. And then there's the blockchain. Cryptocurrencies and NFTs could change the game entirely, allowing players to own virtual assets, trade them on marketplaces, and potentially even cash out their winnings in the real world. But with these advancements come new challenges. How do we ensure responsible gaming in a world where the lines between reality and virtuality are increasingly blurred? How do we protect vulnerable individuals from predatory practices? The future of social casinos is a gamble in itself, but one thing's for sure, it's going to be an interesting ride.